In yesterday's vlog, I explained how ChatGPT kind of failed me in the attempt to help reorganize this messy office and what it's become. Now, if you're interested in the backstory, go ahead and look at yesterday's vlog, and it'll tell you everything you need to know on why my office is an absolute disaster at the moment. But one of the comments I got from that video was from Max, and he suggested, hey, why don't we measure out the room and give ChatGPT the actual measurements of your room and maybe your furniture, and we'll see what it can do then. I thought, that's a great idea. Let's do it. Now, so the room is basically a rectangle. So this way here is the long way. This way here is the short way. And then over here, there's a jut out for the closet. So let's take some measurements. All right, basically looks 13 feet for the long way. For the short side, there is a little bit of a jut out on this wall. So we've got, this is the wall that has the door where you come into my office, and then you come down and there's a jut out. Whoop, there's a jut out right there that takes you over to the closet. For the longest portion of the short side, if that makes sense, it's 9 feet, 9.5, well, probably 9 feet, 10 inches when you exclude the trim. And it looks like the jut out itself is about 6.5, almost 7 inches. The jut out's about 70.5 inches long. And the closet is about 25.5 inches deep, but then there's the wall, which comes out to about 30.5 inches. And the interior width of the closet is 65.5 inches wide. The door opening to the closet is 47 inches. It looks like the depth of the closet on the right-hand side, or the exterior wall side, is about 12.5 inches. I'm going to round that to about 5.5, because there's a piece right there that steps up from here. So we'll make that about 5.5 or 6 inches. Now on the two exterior walls, there's also 8 inches of a shelf here where there's footings underneath here that protrude into the room. All right, now for the window, on this side over here, it's 39 inches from the corner to the edge of the window. And on this side over here, it's 33.5. All right, so now I've got the measurements. I need to figure out, am I going to try to draw this out on paper and then take a picture of it and upload it to ChatGPT that way? Or should I try to use a program, draw it out in a program, and then just create a PDF and upload it that way? Decisions. All right, now I have to stop here because it's 10:45, and if I don't stop now, I might not get my vlog posted today, and then I would lose my streak of posting a vlog every single day for 2025, and I don't want to give that up. I'm really trying to hit that goal, so I'm going to stop right here. But what I did decide to do, since I shut off the camera and moved upstairs, I decided to use OneNote as a simple drafting tool just to get the dimensions down and to draw out the room. Now, I don't know if ChatGPT will be able to use this or not, but I'm not going to have time to find out tonight, so we'll have to work on that maybe tomorrow. And so, hey, that kind of leads me to my standard outro, which is, I will see you again tomorrow.